and development of their child, a recipient of the Marie Ernestine School Academic Excellence Award. Once again, congratulations to our Grade 7 Ernestinian Academic Excellence Award. And now, let us hear the exaltation speech from our Grade 7 Ernestinian Academic Excellence Awardee, Carl Tigon L. Barry. A warm round of applause, please.
Good afternoon, Ernestinians. I am incredibly honored to be a part of this important day. Without the help of many remarkable people, this would never have been possible. I cannot express how grateful I am to my teachers, to my mentors, to the administrators, and most of all, to my friends, especially the ones who have gone above and beyond. To my sister Chelsea, I'm always inspired to create a positive example of myself that you can learn from. And lastly, there are simply no words to express how grateful I am to both of you, my amazing parents. You have shown me through your words and your actions what it is to really live with constant kindness, love, and compassion. Parents, faculty, my dear students, and distinguished guests, we all gather here to celebrate our remarkable achievements this year. Upon looking around the audience, I see multiple people with great potential to leave an impact on the world. Congratulations to all of us. This year is one of the more arduous years of school life. My classmates and I have made a transition from elementary to high school, and I cannot seem to ignore the significant changes in our learning approach. In my elementary days, I always had this obsession with video games. Every time our class ended, I would turn on my computer to play games like Arsenal, Jailbreak, Bloxburgs, Combat Warriors, and many more games. However, after seeing how demanding, fast-paced, and challenging high school became, I decided that I will not allow these distractions to prevent me from acknowledging the true value of a good learning foundation in our lives. Additionally, my obsession with video games have also given me many disadvantages in life. And it's also one of the primary reasons why many of my other skills are underdeveloped. This year, I decided that it's time for me to take a step back and consider how I may better prepare myself for the future. However, that is easier said than done, because I'm sure a lot of you have seen my mistakes, my failures, my lowlights, my embarrassing moments throughout the school year. For this reason, I've decided to start embracing an entirely different perspective and improve myself every day. This year's difficulties and the people who hurt me have also given me great opportunities to become a better person overall. I'm not complaining. In fact, I'm actually really appreciative, but because of the love and support that I received from the people around me, I found a new place of life outside of school. This year, I aim to improve my intellectual learning, but at the same time, stepping outside of my comfort zone, getting to meet new people, trying new things, and exploring the world. We should all strive to learn, because learning is a powerful ability that we humans are capable of. Learning is the ultimate designer behind every, and I mean every breakthrough in human history. That's the reason why we're here today, to celebrate our achievements through learning with the people we love. Right now, I'm not yet the best version of myself. I'm very far from that. However, that won't stop me from learning. The wise man named G.O. Krishnamurti once said, "There is no end to education. It is not that you read a book, pass the examination, and finish your education. Your whole life, from the moment you're born to the moment you die, is a process of learning." That being said, my dear students, we must never forget that learning is infused in everything we know. It exists in what we see, what we touch, and what we observe. So I encourage you to make a promise to to our beloved parents and our beloved teachers. Let's promise them that we will never stop learning and that we will continue to cultivate ourselves into better people. Thank you and God bless.
Thank you and congratulations once again, Carl Devon Alban.